Okay, so let's exit out of here. Let's run this app slash web page. You go to player dash management the in the install folder, and you type shotgun, which gets the starts the shotgun HTTP server. Then we go to use the app. We go to the HTTP. We go to localhost 9393, which is where shotgun defaults to. I imagine if we'd change this later on if we needed to. Now it says that I'm still logged in as M Jordan, and that's because last time I came here I did that. I was logged in as M Jordan. So let's log out of here. Click log out. Let's go to home. Let's sign up. Mark at mail. Mark James. Put the password in. Now, Mark James is a fictitious username, as you probably can guess. He doesn't have any players. He doesn't have any players on. He or she doesn't have any players on the team, so that's why it's listing the players. But so far there are no players. So, click home to go back to the main. This is essentially the main menu. It tells you you're logged in as Mark James. If you want to add a player, you click add new player. So let's add Ja Morant. Now I know he actually went to Memphis. I don't know the Memphis names. I don't know the Memphis players, the Memphis owners' names. So I just made up Mark James. Anyway, you add Ja, first name Ja, last name Morant, position guard. Click submit. All right, so it lists the information. We can delete it here if we want to, but let's not do that. Click home. And we're still logged in as Mark James. If you want to see all the players on his team, we click list players on team Mark James for user Mark James, and it'll list John Morant as the guard. To edit the player, we click edit player. Let's say we want to change him to, we want to call him James Morant, although I believe his name is Ja. We change it on the form here. Click submit. Now his name is James Morant. Click home. That'll bring you back to the essentially the account page, the user's homepage. Again, we can get a list of players on this team. Let's add another player. Click home. Add new player. RJ Barrett, even though I know he didn't go, they're not on the same team. RJ Barrett forward. Submit. Go home. And now if we click on the list of players, we get both James Morant and RJ Barrett. If you want to delete a player, you click delete player, and this will, as you can see, delete the player. So we go back home, and we want to list the player again. We list the players on Mark James' team. Now there's no more James Morant. So click home. So let's go back, click home. To log out, you click owner user logout, in which case you get the login screen here. And that's basically all there is to it. I mean, at some point there are other things that could be added, including changing teams, but right now this is the functionality of the player management system.